Hi, welcome to Home Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the mechanical gaming keyboard, the HV-KB366L by HAVIT. Now, the mechanical keyboard is an updated and upgraded. It comes with a new state-of-the-art design. Now, let's look at the packaging. It's really well designed. It has a multiple color in front and a single color at the back. A lot of information on the box. Now, very nice glossy package. HAVIT always spend a lot of time designing their packages. Now let's slide it open straight away. Once you open it, you are greeted with the signature HAVIT greeting: enjoy what you have, which is very cool. And the signature HAVIT logo, very nice. Now let's open it. Let's open it carefully. When you open it, you're also greeted with "Thanks for choosing HAVIT." Very well padded, very well protected. Now, also came with in the box is the cap remover, a greeting card, and a manual for the keyboard. Now let's slide it open. The paddings. Now we'll notice right off the board that it came with a strong woven braided wires, make it last long, nice and tough. Also with a gold-plated USB connector. Now the back is plastic with rubber so that it won't be sliding around, with a elevator elevator stands to raise the keyboard. We can see that the keys are floating. It's got floating keys, and also the protective, the top shell is iron casted, which is very good, with the magic eagle logo in the middle of the keys, which is very nice. Now, let me connect it to my laptop and you see how it works. It's very good for gamers and also for ordinary typing, but it's beautifully lit up. It lights up beautifully. That's one of the reasons why I like HAVIT keyboards. They spend a lot of time making their product very well made. Now let me dim the light a little bit. Let me even switch it off so that you can see the effect of the lights. Now the lights can be adjusted and can be changed in 4 different ways. I was expecting it to have more than 4 changes, but only 4. If you press the escape key and the FN and the escape key, you can see that it changes. The WSD lights up. I really like the metal faceplate. It has a it has a it has a yes, it's an aluminum top housing with sanded finish. It has a sanded finish with the aluminum top, which is very good. Now to change the lights, as I said, FN and escape. If you press it again, you will see the WASD light flashing. Press it again, it comes back in full. Now if you press the FN and page up, page down, it dimmens and brightens the light, which is quite good. And I think that's about it. Well, I was actually expecting more lights, more of the lights to have more features, but I hope the next update will have that. Now the floating keys, very good with the lights underneath. Let me demonstrate the keycap removers for you so that you would see what this is all about. You can change the keys over, or you can, very easy to remove. Or for cleaning, you can see the light, the green light or blue light and red light underneath, which shines through the key caps. Each key which shines through it. I really like the I really like the keyboard. It's a really solid keyboard. It will be. I can't wait. When I had it delivered, I couldn't wait to get it connected to my computer to play games, and I must tell you, it was really good. And the mechanical noise was very satisfying. Very satisfying. I loved it. I really loved it. And the rubber underneath would prevent it from slipping around, which is very thoughtful of HAVIT. It's a 104 keys RGB mechanical keyboard. Very good. Gold-plated USB interface. Great. Floating keys. Independently blue switch. And an LED light, which is very good. Anti-ghosting as well. It's an anti-ghosting keyboard. Great keyboard. I love it. I love the keyboard. I just can't wait. I can't wait to show it off to my friends. Now let's replace the keys, and there it goes. Very easy to remove, very easy to replace. So that's about it, folks. What else? Yeah, cons. I was expecting more functions with the lights. Pros, a lot of pros. It has a lot of extra keys here, the multimedia keys, and brightness, pause, and the way the letters and numbers are written, especially the numbers, very beautiful. This is an upgraded version, as I said earlier. The keyboard features blue switches. It's great. One thing that I really like about it is sometimes when one is playing a game, you accidentally press the Windows key, but on this update, you can actually lock the Windows key down, switch it off, so that you can focus more on playing your game instead of watching whether you're gonna hit the Windows key accidentally, because by hitting the Windows key, it actually switches off, or in other games it closes down your game's window. So well done, HAVIT, for putting a function to lock the Windows key. Thank you. That's about it. If you like my video, please hit the like button on YouTube. I'm gonna put HAVIT's Amazon web link at the bottom of the video on YouTube. So if you want to buy, please click the link at the bottom of the video. It will take you directly to HAVIT's storefront on Amazon. How much is the keyboard? The keyboard is not that expensive. It's about well, I don't know the price yet, but it's not, it won't be more than 40 pounds. So well done, HAVIT. But it shouldn't be more than that. It could be more, it could be less, I don't know yet. But HAVIT makes great products, and for an affordable price. What else is left to say? I really enjoy this keyboard. I really enjoy using it. What do I give the keyboard? Out of 5, a 4.5. One of the cons that I spoke about is customizing the lights. I wish I could do that, but I hope the next update we will be able to customize the lights. I'm gonna be putting a portion of this video and pictures of the keyboard on my Facebook page. Please check it out. Thank you very much, and leave a comment if you like my video. Bye bye.